Do Dogman again. Robo Chief, Chapter 2. Oh no. One day this happened. Chief's house. Bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Push, pew, pew. Chief. Poo. Slosh. Splash. Grr. Cops. I'm back. Glang. No, Dogman. No. Stop. Get off. Bad doggy. Bad. Bad Dogman. Why do you always have to do this? Chief's office. Who chewed up my dirty tissues? Who ate my slippers? Who peed on my floor? Everyone in my office now. All right, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on the floor? I just suspected. Everyone out except for Dogman. You are in big trouble. Psst. Hey, Chief, the mayor's here. Uh-oh. Hey, send her right in. Oh, howdy, Mayor. Don't howdy, Mayor me. Have you seen the today's news? City News. Chief is soft on crime. News. PD escaped from jail 9 times. News. Latest poll. Everyone hates Chief. You're in big trouble, Chief. You better straighten up or I'll replace you with a robot. Slam. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hee hee. Hoo hoo. Hoo hoo. Hee. Hee. Suddenly, Dogman's super ears heard something. He rushed to the window. Soon my evil plan will turn real seconds. Ha ha ha. Dogman followed Mayor to a strange factory. Robot Times is drowned. He peeked through the window and recorded evidence on his phone. So, Mr. Clubhouse, is our evil robot coming along? Pretty good. Awesome. Soon, I shall use him to take over the city. My evil plan will begin in 33 seconds. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30. 30 seconds later. PD, you got a package. Give me it. What's this? To PD from Mayor. Rap. Invisible spray. Invisible spray. Invisible spray. He. Awesome. Now I'm completely invisible. Oh God! Yeah? Oh no, Pete is gone. Where did he go? PD. I love being invisible. Guard. Guard. Ugh. Splash. Guard. It's a ghost! Ha ha. Soon PD walked out of cat jail. Free at last, ha ha. But then, hello? There been a jail escape. Where? At the jail. Oh. Hey, Chief, there been a jail escape again. Uh-oh. Soon the mayor returned to a police station. Chief, check this out. I tried to warn you, But you have no choice. You're fouled, Bob! Mr. Krabs sent in chief replacement. Okay, clunk, 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 clunk. I am Robo Chief. Robo Chief is new boss, and I am the Robo Chief, Bob. Ha ha ha! Must obey, Mayor. Ha ha ha! Now the chief is gone. I can run this town my way. Clunk, clunk, clunk. And you better not try to stop me, or you'll end up in the backyard. Junkyard. Huh? Sorry, Dogman. I got fired. You must go without me. Be a good boy. Make me proud. Ah, it's good to be the king. Mr. Krab, it's time to put the evil plan into action. No prob. Soon, Mr. Krab and his team of bad guys built a burnt, rotten building. Time burglar servers. Carjack lessons. Country left fake money. Illegal stuff for sale. Stolen goods. And all cops were ordered to stay away. Don't go near the mayor's new stores or you will be fired. It was the perfect crime. Ha ha ha! Except for one thing. Hey! Look at all those rotten stores. Hackers are us. Super scam. Invisible Petey was not happy. Grr! Somebody is trying to muscle my terror. I have to stop those evil jerks. Okay, how can Petey even stop those evil jerks? And anyways, it's creepy. How can even Petey be invisible? And it was all of Mayor's idea. So Mayor has to be really in jail for 300 years or something. So, okay, bye.